Here's our pumpkin pie and our sunshine baby bird. And Lucy. Lucy's looking for trouble. Here we go. There we go. What are they up to? What are they up to? Hi, Lucy. They love their sunshine baby bird, don't they? They love them. They love them. No, no, you don't lose her. I just want to talk to you just for a minute.
Sunshine's too busy. He's too busy for you kids.
Aww. There's my bestest kids. Silly, could you be any more beautiful? Could you? Lucy. Let's see what's going on around here. What's going on around here? Aha! There they are. They're having a chat with Sunshine. Sing for him, Sunshine. Can you sing for him? Or are you too busy? Are you too busy eating? Huh? Look at that pretty bird. Look at that pretty bird. He's gorgeous. He's gorgeous. Get him, Sunshine. Get that Lucy. Peck her in the nose. Oh, Sunshine. Oh, Sunshine. Haha, Lucy, I don't think so. Sunshine said, get rid of them. Get rid of those kids. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.